Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Ray Robinson, aka Billionaire on Instagram. Guys, if you want to follow me on IG, definitely take time of your life, go follow your boy on Instagram. But what I want to do, I want to talk to you guys today about this Bitcoin play. Bitcoin went from 7,000, about 7,500, all the way up to 10K. Okay. Now, back in September 25th, if I go ahead and drop a line right here so you all can see exactly what I'm talking about. Let me find it. Let me find it. Where is it? Interesting. I don't see it. Oh, here we go. Vertical line. If I come back here to September 25th, right here, you see the date at the bottom. I actually went on the 24th and actually did an analysis on this Bitcoin play right here. Bitcoin to 10K harmonic play. Okay. Guys, what I see right here is a big harmonic pattern right here on Bitcoin. So what happened was, when this right here played out, I was like, all right, cool. This looked like a great level for me to enter this market right here for a nice buy opportunity. And, that's exactly what I did. We entered the market for a buy opportunity. You can see how the market started, consolidating and making this, trying to make its way up to the upside. Gave us a major false breakout, induced a lot of sellers, right? A lot of people thought that the market was going to continue to drop on Bitcoin. But, staying true to my analysis and trading what I see and not exactly what I hear in the markets and what other people say, I was like, all right, cool. This is what I'm sticking to. That's what it's going to be. So that little fake out came and we see that big spike to the upside, right? Price shot all the way up to 10K. If you go back to my video and watch the first, first 10 to 15 minutes of this video, you'll see my exact markup on this right here. And you can only get access to this if you're on my team, okay? Go back and watch that video on Go Live, and you'll be able to get access to that and all of my other trainings as well. So, like I say, this right here is my setup that I took on Bitcoin. But what I want to go over right now is kind of what I see right now in the market. So, looking at this big impulsive move right here to the upside, right? Got this big move to the upside right here. Okay. What I see right now is the market is playing within the daily zone. That's why this green area is right here is highlighted. This is like my daily zone right here, okay? Let me delete this real quick because what I see right now is if I look over here to my left, let me delete this and draw it again for you guys. If you can see that we have this high over here, right? And you see the market, creating, giving me a little trend line activity right here going on. You all know that, multiple touches on the trend line is a valid trend line point. And you can see price right now is currently pushing right back here into that zone, right? With this daily horizontal trend line along with this diagonal trend line to the downside, okay? Now, what I see is this big push to the upside. I honestly don't see Bitcoin coming any lower than this level right here, okay? Any lower than, let's say about around 8,000, 8,400, right? I don't see Bitcoin going any lower than that. Now, this is my opinion. Any and everything in this video can, do whatever it wants to. But again, this is my opinion right here. I feel like price is gonna come back down to this this level of support back here. Looking to my left, that lines up this 38.2 level right here. A lot of you guys that been following me, you all know my trading style. If I can grab this, let's see if I can grab it. You all know my trading style. A lot of you guys who who've been following me, rocking out with me. But let me line up this market with 38.2 level. This is honestly, the lowest I feel like it'll come down to is 84.68, around that range. Let me just throw a trend line right there, and you can see how price could, like I say, fall back down into this zone, hitting that area and then taking off, giving us a much bigger push, right? Now, let's say if it does do that, if price does give us that big push to the upside, my exit point is going to be I'm gonna give myself 2 target areas. My first target area is going to be this 61. I'm sorry, this 100% of this move up here at the top. That'll be my target 1, and my target 2s will be up here at this 1272 level, giving us that full extension of that impulse to the upside. So this is what I'm looking at on BTC USD. I'm actually gonna give myself 2 entries on this trade, right? I'm actually looking to get involved in the market on BTC USD right now, as a matter of fact. So, you know, the reason why I'm looking to get involved in this market is for the simple fact that we have price right here playing along this trend line area right here I got going across my chart, right? You can see over here to my left, you know, you see how we got price react some type of way when it hit that area, that trend line, react to that some type of way when it hit right there, giving us that, you know, market sensitivity. Basically, every time the market hit this trend line, the market has some type of reaction to it, right? Market came back here, broke, gave us that big bullish push that we saw last night happen, and right now giving us that retracement back down to this area, 50% retracement of this move, this big impulse move from this low to this high, pull back 50%. Like I say, guys, you know, this right here, we can look at this as a level of support that Bitcoin is also falling on as well. If I go ahead and put a trend line right there also, right, you can see how price is, you know, playing above that, playing above this trend line right now. So it's a lot of confluence right there, giving me a reason to enter this market for a continuation to the upside. And like I say, I can see Bitcoin pushing up to at least 11,000. The highest I can see it going to is about $12,000 on Bitcoin off of this move right here that I see. That's not to say that it won't go higher, but this is what I'm looking at right now based off of what I see in the market with this big impulse to the upside. So that being said, you know, I'm actually going to look to get involved on this in this trade. Let me go down to a 1 hour time frame. Look to get involved in this trade and take this a little bit higher. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So guys, you know, if you're on my team, be on the lookout. I will be, you know, giving you further updates on whether or not I'm involved in this trade or not. But if you guys trade this, definitely trade at your own risk. And again, this is not any type of financial advice or anything like that. This is just, you know, basically my own opinion, okay, based on what I see in the markets. Again, I'm not no type of financial advisor. So again, you know, like I say, this is just my pure analysis and what I see, my opinion. All right. So guys, if you got any questions, you know, feel free to drop a comment below. Give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you guys and see you all on the next video.